next time video. Well, I don't mean that. I'm a first YouTuber, but I never did YouTube, and this is Birds of Steel. And if you look on the back, there's like, I don't know what that plane is, but it's trying to actually save his country. And then this is Americans versus Japan, and this is where America have to save Wake Island, and then here's a first person view, and then here's a Japanese view, and